How to create a PayPal account. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a PayPal account. Let's get started. First, open the PayPal app. Now here you can see sign up right here. Tap on sign up. Now enter your email. Now once you enter your email, tap on next. Now you enter your phone number. Once you enter your phone number, tap on next. Now enter the code sent to your mobile number, and here enter your password, create it. Now once you create your password, tap on next. Enter your birth date. Now once you enter it, you need to enter your address, enter it. Once you enter everything, you can just enter your postal code as well. Then tap on agree and create account, and once you agree and create account, your account will be created. And that's it. With your email and phone number verified, your PayPal account is safer and ready for sending, receiving and making secure payments. If this video helped you, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.